Hey, good morning everybody. I'm here in the city of Long Beach replacing a Tesla. Replacing the door glass. Actually on these 22 Teslas, they're actually a laminated glass. As you see here, it's cracked. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a long crack right here all across. So I ordered a brand new one from Tesla for this customer of mine, and we're going to be replacing a new one on. So if you have crack chipped or windshields or door glass need to be replaced, feel free to give me a call at mobile. You can go to my website, mobilesafeautoglass.com, and one of our representatives could be able to help you and give you a free quote. All right, 22 Tesla 3, all done. Everything put back together like nothing ever happened. Any questions or want a free quote? Contact mobilesafeautoglass.com. One of the representatives will help you, give you a free quote. Thank you.